Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to a different video, but about the same router. Okay, so last कुछ videos पे बहुत अच्छा response आया. I love that and thank you for liking the video, right? Whoever did, and thanks for one comment. That was awesome. Okay, so आज हम जिस राउटर की बात कर रहे हैं वो सेम राउटर है, राइट? अच्छा, जो हमारा पिछला वाला राउटर था वो मैंने उस पर रूट पा के उसका फर्मवेयर निकाल के आई लेफ्ट इट, राइट? आई डोंट आई एम मेकिंग द ओपन डब्ल्यू आर टी फर्मवेयर फॉर इट इफ पॉसिबल, राइट? बट कुछ दिन पहले, राइट, व्हेन आई वाज रिसर्चिंग अबाउट दिस राउटर, आई फाउंड अबाउट दिस. I found. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, hold on a second. Oops. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I found about this. Okay, this is the same kind of router, G426GA, right? And मैं मेरे को पता चला कि people are trying to find, trying to get a way to get a root shell into this router, right? But is the issue that they are facing is this one, this right here. So this is the same kind of router, but with a bit different firmware. Okay, so what is happening is people are getting this user shell. So it's a basically it's not a real shell, but it's like a restricted shell. ठीक है, तुम इसमें you can only run a few commands, you cannot run all the root commands into this router. So I have a different router, ठीक है? I have two routers, I have two Nokia routers, and luckily I have जो फर्स्ट वाला राउटर मैंने दिखाया था, that was the router जिसमें हमने रूट शेल बड़े इजीली पा लिया, राइट? ऑल वी हैड टू डू वाज फाइंड द पासवर्ड. पर इसके अंदर, इस राउटर के अंदर इट्स काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट, ठीक है? इट्स काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड द रूट शेल बिकॉज क्योंकि मेरे को मिला नहीं, राइट? मतलब मेरे को ये जो राउटर है, दिस इज द राउटर विच आई हैड ऑलरेडी. ओके, इट्स नॉट द सेम राउटर बट इट्स द सेम फर्मवेयर एंड सेम एवरीथिंग, बट इट्स नॉट द सेम राउटर बिकॉज इस राउटर में हमको ये इशू आ रहा है, हमारे पास एक शेल नहीं है, ठीक है? और not only we don't have a shell, we cannot even get into the bootloader. So let me show you how. Okay, so first thing you need to do something like this. मेरे को अभी रियलाइज हुआ कि मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं कि कैसे करना होता है ये सब. So this is the अपना CP2102 module which is very cheap. You can get this for 140 rupees, है ना? And on Amazon you can get this for 300 rupees. Okay, and these are three jumper cables, right? Female to female. And now what we are going to do is we are going to connect the TX, the RX and the ground on this simple programmer. Okay, and I'm going to connect this to the laptop. It's kind of difficult, but I will show it to you. Acha, no, before I connect this, let me show it to you on the router. So it's gonna be thoda sa difficult for me, right? But I'm gonna try. So you unlock the router, you go back, you open it up, and then this you will see this. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to connect, you will see these three pins. Okay, और इस a hint, advice, राइट? जब मैंने पहली बार ये राउटर खोला था, इट्स द सेम राउटर जो हमने पुराने वीडियोस में दिया, लेकिन इसमें फॉर्मवेयर डिफरेंट है, इसमें सॉफ्टवेयर डिफरेंट है. इसमें हमको ये वाला इशू आ रहा है, राइट? इसमें हमको ये वाला इशू आ रहा है. सो इसमें हमको ये वाला इशू आ रहा है और वो मैं अभी शो करूँगा, राइट? सो इसमें आपको थ्री पिन्स दिख रही हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स वन इज गोइंग टू बी TX, वन इज गोइंग टू बी RX एंड वन इज गोइंग टू बी ग्राउंड. So what you have to do is you connect. So इसमें एक छोटा सा एरो है, इस एक पिन के पीछे एक हल्का सा एरो है. Let me point it, right? Okay, so the arrow is this one, like दिख रहा होगा, this is the arrow, right? On my multimeter, this is the arrow, white color का छोटा सा, right? This arrow tells us कि ये जो पिन है ये है एक TX पिन. Okay, this is the TX पिन. ठीक है, TX मतलब ट्रांसमिट पिन. ओके, सो दिस इज द TX पिन. सो हमको इसमें जो TX हमने लगाया है उसका हमें वहाँ पे RX लगाना है. ठीक है, सो इसमें बस TX ये है. सो हमारे पास जो ब्लू वाली है केबल जो मैंने इसके RX से कनेक्ट कर रखी है वो लगेगी यहाँ पे इसके TX में. सो देयर वी गो. फिर हमारा जो TX है वो लगेगा इसके RX में. एंड जो हमारा एरो का मतलब होता है TX, और फिर ऑफ कोर्स जो दूसरी केबल होगी वो RX होगी, एंड देन उसके बाद ग्राउंड होगी. और ये हमारी लास्ट केबल है ग्राउंड की, GND. सो हमने इसमें कनेक्ट कर दी है केबल. ओके, हमने केबल कनेक्ट कर दी. हमारा कुछ सेटअप ऐसा दिख रहा है. ठीक है, ऐसा दिख रहा है हमारा सेटअप. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कनेक्ट दिस स्मॉल प्रोग्रामर इनटू माय लैपटॉप. राइट, there we go, it is connected, and now we need to power it up. So the power cable is this one जो मेरे आ रही है, right, ये वाली 12 volt power cable, and all we have to do is connect this to the router. Okay, मेरे पास space नहीं है इसको दिखाने के लिए. अच्छा, पहले let me connect पहले. Okay, and let me connect this to the power cable. Okay, I have connected the power cable. The power cable is on, and अब इसको हम लगाएंगे हमारे लैपटॉप में. Okay, it's connected, है ना. पट्टी we है ना. So we will open पट्टी. We have COM5 इस स्पीड पे serial port open, right? and जैसे ही हम राउटर को ऑन करेंगे, this is the router on off button, हमारे पास आ गया कनेक्शन. ओके, सो अब हम देख सकते हैं कि ये सारा डेटा. अच्छा, ओह शिट, राइट, ये देयर वी गो. ओके, अब हम डेटा देख सकते हैं, है ना. और अब ये बूट हो रहा है. ऑसम. सो अब ये बूट हो रहा है, राइट. सो वी विल लेट दिस बूट. Oopsies, we have a disconnect. Okay, we reconnected. Everything is good. Awesome. So let's wait for the router to turn on. And जब तक router turn on हो रहा है, let's talk about this. Okay, so this shell we will see in a minute. Okay, and we need to get root on this router. So I saw कि लोग इसके बारे में, ब्रो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज शेल एक्सेस. इसमें शेल एक्सेस काम नहीं करेगा. शेल डज नॉट वर्क ऑन दिस राउटर. ओके, बट some great guy has made this script, Nokia router CFG tool. This tool unpacks and repacks the CFG, the config of the router. So you get this router. So we are going to use this tool, exactly this tool, and we are going to root this router using this tool. Okay, and all we need is some reading, some knowledge. ठीक है, all we need is some knowledge to root this router. So I think the router has turned on, and we are going to connect to this router using Wi-Fi. Okay, so I will show you the issue. Okay, we also see that ONT user is on, admin GPON and ONT user is on. So we know कि admin GPON user is there, right? So we know admin GPON user. We know admin GPON user is there, right? And उसका पासवर्ड हमें पता है. ये this is the password of admin GPON, which means कि हम इसके अंदर घुस सकते हैं. ठीक है, I will show it to you. Please try to understand. Okay, if there are any issues you face, you can comment. So we will check. So as you can see, we have a user, right? We cannot do anything on this router, right? We cannot do anything on this router. And that is sad. Okay, we cannot do anything on this router. That is pretty sad. But let's see हमारे पास क्या command है. Enable. ठीक है, we have a shell. Okay, we have configure, like this is जो basic shells होते हैं, shell commands, जब आप you work on a switch, right, you work on a switch or a router जिसमें आपको full restricted shell आपको full shell access नहीं दिया होता. So we have a lot of commands यहाँ पे which we can try. We can do show, right, we can do show all of this, right, IP, we can see default gateway not available, that's fine. But we see a shell and it's asking for a password, and कोई भी आप password try कर लो, like admin, right, it just drops us. It doesn't say the password is incorrect, it doesn't say the password is anything, right, it does not say anything, it just does not allow us to go into anything, right. And I have tried every single password, I have tried this, okay, I have tried this, no, does not work, nothing works, okay, nothing works on this. So let's try if we can get into the U-boot of the system. Okay, अगर हम बिल्कुल ऊपर जाएं, so we can see, oh my god, there it is, right, there it is. Press any key in 1 second to enter boot command mode. Okay, this looks like कि हमें कोई तरीका मिल जाएगा, but it is also restricted. Okay, let me show it to you. So if we restart, right, and we press enter, okay, I pressed enter, it's, but we are not dropping into the boot, right, we are not dropping into the boot command mode. Okay, I can, okay, I'm gonna press anything, okay, I'm typing, it will not show up, and I press enter and it will say login without authorization. I have no clue what this is, okay, I have no idea what this is, I do not know how to do anything about this, right, I have never seen this before कि आप boot command mode के अंदर नहीं घुस पा रहे, right. So you can do anything and enter and again and anything and enter, and third time ये restart हो जाता है, it restarts, and I can do it all over again, which is useless, which is absolutely useless. Okay, so how do we get into the root of this router? We know, okay, we know that admin gpon user exists, right, we know that admin gpon user exists, हमने boot commands में देखा था, boot logs में देखा था कि admin user exist करता है. So let it restart, let the router restart again, क्योंकि हम boot loader access नहीं कर सकते, हम shell access नहीं कर सकते, we are logged, and this router was given to me by Tata Sky. Okay, so Tata Sky has given us a logged router जिसमें हम root access नहीं ले सकते, right. और even कि यहाँ पे भी, even on this Chinese subreddit people are talking about this. If we go into Google Translate and we check a website, this, we will see that people are talking about serial terminal, it's not loading correctly. बेसिकली लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि हम इस पे एडमिन नहीं बन पा रहे, हम इस पे रूट यूज़र नहीं बन पा रहे, राइट. एंड यहाँ पे जो हमको आया इशू वो इनको भी आ रहा है, ठीक है. दे आर ट्राइंग यूज ONT यूज़र बट दे आर गेटिंग लॉग इन फेल्ड, राइट. दे आर यूजिंग ONT यूज़र बट दे आर गेटिंग लॉग इन फेल्ड, ठीक है. लास्ट टाइम ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था, राइट. शेल पासवर्ड 2 है ना, दे आर ट्राइंग टू एस्केप दिस शेल बट इट्स नॉट वर्किंग एट ऑल, not working at all, right. They are trying to give this. I have tried ONT user but not working, right. I have tried ONT user but it's not working, right. Okay, so they have tried this but it's not working, nothing is working for these people. So देखते हैं कि can we do it, right. Can a simple simple 100 rupee thing can do it, okay, and some knowledge of scripts, okay. So there it is, user, right, nothing is working. So let me connect my Wi-Fi, okay, and let's see if we can do it with Wi-Fi. Okay, so I have connected to the Wi-Fi, right. We open command prompt ipconfig, config, we see कि हम वाईफाई से कनेक्ट हो चुके हैं. This is the router IP address. Right here, this is the router IP address. We connect to it. Right, we paste it here. So ये वाला router है. Okay, this router in show. Okay, we can only see version. Enable. We can go show. ठीक है, we can go show IP route. Okay, इसमें नहीं दिख रहा, but this is the router, right? We are connected to this router using Wi-Fi. So we know that admin gpon user exists. ठीक है, so we go here, admin gpon, and we go with the password of this login. Okay, what we have failed once. Admin gpon, what password? Okay, this is the password. Login. So we are logged in. Okay, in this router we are logged in. ये देखा कुछ दिखा भी रहा है. Okay, it's showing that we are logging in into this router, which is awesome. So this is the router. Okay, software version is this. Let's see if this is the same software version. It's not the same. So okay, yeah, it is 3F something software version. It's the same router this guy have. Okay, and we want root on this router. So I have found that this script है ना, ये जो script है, this one, we can use this script to change the config file of the router. And हमने देखा था कि ONT user exist. ठीक है, even this guy is talking about ONT user. ठीक है, and it's saying login failed, right? So let's try something. Okay, we are going to maintenance, we are going into backup and restore, and let's export the config file. We have the config file. Okay, and let's get into our Linux machine, which I have यहाँ पे. cp mntc users atom downloads config.cfg. This is the file, and let's copy this. So we have this config.cfg file. We cannot read this file, it's just data. But this file, this router जो this guy have made for us, this router cfg tool, this is awesome. Okay, this router backup configuration tool. So this tool can unpack the file and then repack the file, so we can edit anything we want in this. Okay, so let's try to get root on this router, right, with this shell to get out of the root shell. Okay, so acha, before we do that, applications, we have security access control. Okay, and we have allowed, let's allow SSH and telnet. Okay, let's save it, and let's try to SSH into this router as admin gpon at 192.168.1.254, and I want to do yes, and the password is this exactly this. So let's paste the password, and okay, so we pasted the password, and we are getting this issue, right? We are not root, we are not the root user, we are just this restricted shell. We cannot execute any command id who am I, we cannot do anything. So let's exit. Okay, we can't even exit. Awesome. So let's open a new Kali, right? There it is, and we do SSH. So I have killed SSH. ठीक है, that's fine. We cannot do anything here, but हमारे पास है ये config.cfg file. Let's try to upload this file. Okay, मतलब first let's try to unpack this file. Nokia CFG tool, right? And let's try to do. We have to unpack the file, है ना? So they are saying that we can just do config u. ठीक है, we can do config u, and it has unpacked as this XML file. Okay, so it has unpacked as the XML file. So let's try to do something with it. So इसके अंदर हम देख सकते हैं कि क्या क्या सेटिंग इन लोगों ने कर रखी है, राइट? काफ़ी कुछ है इसके अंदर, ठीक है? क्या इसके अंदर टेलनेट है? टेलनेट इनेबल, राइट, ट्रू. सो टेलनेट इज इनेबल्ड एंड इसके अंदर एक पासवर्ड है ये वाला, ठीक है? हमें दिख रहा है कि टेलनेट यूजर नेम ये है और पासवर्ड ये है एंड द पासवर्ड इज एनक्रिप्टेड. सो लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन डिक्रिप्ट दिस पासवर्ड. python 3 nokia this, right, and we are going to do decrypt this. Okay, we don't have crypto by crypto dome break. Okay, so the password is admin and the username is admin. So can we do that? Can we do it with this new session? I'm going to do SSH and 192.168.1.254, login as admin and admin, access denied. Okay, so let's go new session and let's go telnet 192.168.1.254, admin. Okay, I think मैंने थोड़ा fuck कर दिया. admin. Okay, login incorrect. This is not working. Okay, this is not working. So let's see कि हमें और क्या मिल सकता है, right? Let's go again in this XML file and let's try to change something. So we know कि ONT user exist करता है and ONT is a backdoor user. So let's see. और हम अगर ONT user से login करने की कोशिश करें, right, जो हमारे पास है ONT user this, right, sugar and this. So if we try to log in using this user, new session, other 192.168.1.254, and I try ONT user, it said login incorrect without any password asking, right? Okay, so let's see ki can we find ONT user in this file. ONT user, and we see ONT user, okay, and it is saying limit account ONT user to true. Do you see where I'm going? क्या आपको दिख रहा है, right? कि हम यहाँ पे क्या करने वाले हैं? It is so simple. The security these people have provided is so easy to break, right? And I don't know कि इन लोगों को कैसे समझ नहीं आया, how they did not understand this. But if we go here and it is saying limit account, so the ONT user account is limited. We are not allowed to log in into this account. Okay, we are not allowed to log in. So what can we do? Let's see what happens if we do it to false and we save this. All I did was limit account ONT user to false and I saved the file. Now we exit out. ठीक है, this file we have saved. ठीक है, if we cat config this and we grep for ONT user, we see कि ये false हो चुका है. Awesome. Let's see अगर हम यही फाइल राउटर को दे देंगे, so will we able to log in into the router or not? ठीक है, right now हमने देखा कि ONT user fail हो गया login. So before we do that, we need to repack the file with this command. So ONT say this, right? So let's go ple, right? ये वाले काम नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? ple is the only one that is going to work, and the config file is this one, and we do enter. Okay, sorry, we have to also do this, right? Okay, so it is packed, ठीक है? The file is packed as this. So हमारे पास access है इसका, और यहाँ पे हम backup and restore में आके यहाँ पे हम इसको import कर सकते हैं. So let's do that. Okay, I'm going to cp this config this cfg file to my downloads directory. ठीक है, मैंने कॉपी कर ली है फाइल. लेट्स गो import. Please select the file you want to import. Oh yeah, sorry, choose a file. We know that this is the file. ठीक है, we go import. Are you sure you want to import? I say okay. ठीक है, let's go here and it's gonna turn off, right? We have imported the file. Upload failed file. Okay, sorry. Okay, so upload failed. I think it's because कि मैंने ये गलत डाला था. I think it's this one. I'm थोड़ा confused. I'm a bit confused. Okay, let's forget about that. That was anticlimactic to this. ठीक है. Okay, okay. I think I figured it out. I think it's this one. Config this. Right, XML. Okay, let's पहले तो ये वाली config हटा देते हैं. Python 3 Nokia this pb, right, config this one, right, and we just go and paste this right here. Okay, it has given us a cfg file. Let's copy this cfg to mntc users atom downloads s. Okay, let's see if this is the file. I think this is the file. Is it still invalid? Oh, import is complete. Okay. Error getting account object. Okay, so as soon as you as soon as you upload it, it starts to reset. Right? The router resets. Right? So we wait for the reset to complete, and then we wait. Okay. Okay. I forgot that it does not include encryption. It's big Indian and no encryption. Right? I thought it was with encryption or little Indian. So no worries, right? It works. We have this running. We wait for it to run, right? Let's wait the router to turn back on. Ping 192.168.254, right? Of course, sudo. Oh wow, awesome. So we cannot even ping with this. Okay, we can ping with the command prompt, right? Ping with this. Okay, let's wait for the ping. Okay, so we are able to connect, right? We are able to connect to the router. That is awesome. Let's copy the IP and let's do a nmap and port 22. It's open. SSH is open, right? S23 open. 23 is not open yet, so it is turning on still. So router को एक बार पूरा on होने देते हैं, then we will do whatever we want to do. Let's try to get with it is still turning on. Okay, so let's go SSH, right? 192.168.1.254. It is asking login as. So we know that the ONT user, we know कि हमने ONT user को allow किया है to not be limited anymore. So okay, it is asking for password. All right, हमें password पता है ONT user का is this. So in क्या आ रहा था? SSH login failed. Let's see अपना क्या आता है. And boom, we are root into the router. Okay, we have successfully gotten root in this router. Not exactly this router, but the router जो हमारे पास है. Right, they have tried, but does not work on newer models by default. They say, but it works for us. Okay, hello experts, guide me how to get configuration file. Right, this is our router, this G1. We refresh this, right? We are in the router using SSH, right? And we have successfully bypassed this. And how can I show it to you? New session. If we go SSH 192.168.1.254, and if we log in as admin AONT, if we log in as admin gpon, right? I hate that they give you this. Okay, we do admin gpon. It is asking for a password. This is our password, right? And we cut that, paste it here, and it is saying user. Okay, so this login is broken, but we have root here. I think we can even do ps dub, right? We have full SSH access to root, right? And we see that there is this. So can we have kill? Okay, we have kill. So let's kill 3293 ps dub. Okay, so what happened when we killed that? Something happened. Nothing happened. Okay, something should have. Oh, look. See, I did that, right? I killed the session of this user, remote side unexpectedly closed network connection. So that was awesome. We do not have access from here, but we are root here. So we have successfully rooted the router without doing anything, right? Without escaping this or hame, and we could not even have access to this. If you remember, we did not even have access to to the bootloader of the device, right? We could not even get into the bootloader of the device, but we still have access to the router, and we can like see users. We have admin gpon, which is given this shell vtysh, but the ONT user have sh, and Apple's app service user cannot access, and even root cannot access, but ONT user can access. So the router, and we are successfully in, right? It's generating a key. Maybe we can see the key being generated. Host key R, maybe. So there we go, right? We have accessed the router completely. If we So we have access to everything. Bin, right? CPU temp 244, sure, right? Hamare paas, so we have webs. We can see all the web files. We have full access to this router just by using nothing but our brains and this tool that this gentleman has given us, right? This the Droid Geek, awesome code by Droid Geek, right? And we were able to help many of these people, right? That was awesome. So has flash dump, they can actually get the flash dump from here using my last video, using the dd command. If we use dd version, right, we have dd command on, we have ls dev mtd everything. Yeah, there is the firmware files, so we can get into root, right? We have everything, we have logs, right? Login.log, login failed, yeah, admin gpon was login success, ONT user login failed, but then login success because we allowed the user. Do we have telnet though, right? Let's see. Okay, so there we'll have to copy this again. I hate doing that. Okay, you can just do that. Okay. Okay, password login, and we logged in. If we do ps-dub, we should see it. Maybe it's not that verbose, but no worries. Maintenance, security, access controls. We have telnet denied. Okay, if we allowed the telnet, so now the telnet should be allowed. Telnet ad, okay, it's on. So we should be able to telnet into this session using other 192.168 1.254 AONT log in, and ONT user should work, right? It's ONT user, this is the password, copy this, paste it here, and we are logging as root. Pretty awesome, pretty fun. Thank you for watching the video. I think it was a great way of showing that sometimes you don't have to think that much. Sometimes things just happen automatically. Actually, we can also explore this router a bit, right? What is in .bash rc? Nothing. So HTTP server public key, private key. We have custom dot. Okay, nothing. So yeah, we have. What is user fs? What is user fs? led.conf. Oh wow. Okay, that is cool. We have profile. we do etc pass stability, we see this shell, right? And if we invoke the shell, yeah, look, this is the shell, right? And we cannot exit out of this. Once we are in this shell, we cannot do anything. So this was the issue here. So well, whatever, thank you for watching the video, right? All you have to do is download that file. If you have access to the CFG, you can just download this file, right, using backup and restore. Download, export the file, import it, change the ONT user limitation, and then import it again, and boom, you're done, right? Easy as that. You can get root on this router. Thank you for watching. If you liked it very much, then please subscribe.